Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel Ganishka Academy. My name is Ganishka. Today my topic is National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Diwas. It is observed on 31st October in India and is also known as National Unity Day. The day honors the legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Let us have a look at the history and significance of the day. National Unity Day, the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India's first Home Minister, who played an important role in persuading many princely states to join the Union of India. He is famously known as Iron Man of India and as one of the founding leaders of the Republic Day of India. In 2014, the Government of India introduced National Unity Day with an aim to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his birth anniversary. He is always remembered for his extraordinary works for the country, and no doubt he worked hard in keeping India united. Rashtriya Ekta Diwas was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014 by paying tribute to the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue and flying of a program which was known as Run for Unity in New Delhi. Run for Unity was held to spread awareness about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's contribution to Indian history. India is a diverse nation, so it is very important to maintain unity. The government of India has constructed a huge statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel near the Narmada River in Gujarat in memory of the Iron Man of India. In 2019, on Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, Narendra Modi administered the National Unity Day pledge at the Statue of Unity in Kevadia. He also reviewed the Rashtriya Ekta Diwas parade. Sardar Patel National Unity Award seeks to recognize notable and inspiring contributions to promote the cause of national unity and integrity and to reinforce the value of a strong and united India. On the occasion of National Unity Day, 31st October, the award will be announced. On this day, in several schools and colleges, a variety of cultural activities are also performed, including banners, poster making, essay competition, speech competition, quiz competition, paintings, debate, etc. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel always worked hard to make India a united India, Ek Bharat. To create foremost India, he requested the people of India to live together, being the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister. He played an important role in the integration of many Indian princely states to make an Indian federation. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.